In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to eBay. By the end, you'll have PayPal saved in your eBay wallet so you can check out faster and manage your payments more easily. Make sure you're signed in to your eBay account on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, as the layout is clearest there. Start on the eBay homepage. Look toward the top of the page for your account area. Move your mouse to hover over your name. This opens a quick menu that gives you access to your profile, purchases, and key account tools. If you don't see your name, double check that you're logged into the correct eBay account. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to your main account dashboard, where you manage personal details, security, and payment options. Give the page a second to load fully. eBay sometimes organizes settings into different sections, but the payments area is what you want next. Now, click Payments. You'll land in your eBay wallet, the central place where you add and manage cards and linked accounts used for buying on eBay. Here, you can view anything already saved and make updates as needed. This page is also helpful later if you ever want to remove a method or update an expiration date. Next, click Add Cards and Accounts. A panel or new page will open with choices for different payment methods. Select PayPal. eBay will guide you through a quick connection flow. In most cases, you'll be redirected to PayPal to sign in and confirm that you want to link your PayPal to eBay. Follow the on-screen prompts, then approve the connection. When it's done, you'll be brought back to eBay and should see PayPal listed in your wallet. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. From now on, you'll be able to choose PayPal at checkout without re-entering details each time. If the PayPal option doesn't appear, it can be due to regional availability, temporary account verification needs, or a browser issue. Make sure you're on the official eBay site, try a desktop browser, and ensure your PayPal account is in good standing. Clearing your cache or temporarily disabling ad blockers can also help the wallet page load correctly. That's it. Hover over your name, open account settings, go to payments, and use ad cards and accounts to connect PayPal. With PayPal added to your eBay wallet, your future purchases should be faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.